Hey, so we are back with another live trade recap video. This is the trade that I took this morning on USD Swiss. So we're going to get right into it. So just looking at the chart, we are definitely bearish. We are below the moving averages and we have a break of structure here. So even though we are super bearish, we are very far from the 200 moving average. So it's giving me the impression that we may want to push up at least for a pullback. But we're going to just wait on price action and see what happens. All right, so we have this bullish candle that broke above these candles. So that's giving me even more confirmation that we may want to go ahead and push up. Keeping in mind we have news at 10 o'clock, so being very cautious. Going down to the 5-minute, we have that super bullish push up. We have an order block here. We have a gap here. And then we have a break of structure here. So now we're looking for to fill this gap or to touch this order block based off of price action. All right, so we have that news candle. It went on ahead and cleared out that fair value gap, and it came very close to our order block, but I'm confident that we closed out the gap if we do get bullish momentum. And the next candle was super bullish. Now, because it's around 10 o'clock and it's Friday, I'm not looking to go crazy, only looking to take a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So we go ahead and go long. Stop loss is going to be at the bottom of this candlestick. And then we're going for the 1-to-1 on a Friday. And we did wick through our take profit here. Yep, so that was USDCHF this morning. And that's how we're going to see how the rest of the trade played out for the remainder of the day. All right. So, yeah, it went over a little from a 1-to-1, but as you can see, we did not completely fill this gap. So, yep, that's all for today, and I'll see y'all in my next video.